Guys, welcome back to another video, guys. We are playing. So you see, I got a new picture, guys. So now we're about to play Wolf Online. So we're about to play Wolf Online. You can see now. Yeah. So I'm getting more stronger. So I would stay using a white wolf instead of the brown one instead the black one for a couple of years, guys. So guys, I'm gonna skip this and yeah, see you guys. There you go. So now we are back. You see, I'm about to be the brown of the cool boy. I was going to try and make a video of my friend, but he's not playing. I mean, my girlfriend, but she's not playing. So, alright. Go ahead. Say hi. So you see these wolves are fighting some. Oh, you won't kill me, dang it, you already killed me. How many times I die is 580. Look how much I killed. I think I got more. So let's leave, guys, and we better go somewhere else. So let's just go to this world and let's do it. Anyway, so guys, I'm gonna be cussing in this video and a little bit cussing in this video. So yeah. Dang. That looked better, kind of, in a black wolf. Okay, let's go, guys. Stop staying right here and do this. The game's a glitch. Okay. Oh yeah, I could kill this. Okay, we killed it. Good job. So there's our points. So I'll be upgrading my points. Yeah, I can see. Okay. So let's eat this. Are we done? Okay. So now, are we done killing this now? I mean, I got 4, yeah, and he got 4. Okay. These are big wolves. This thing is big. I don't care. Okay, he wasn't big. Okay, wait. I thought he was big at first. I thought it was this big, so I thought I was gonna die. So So let's go. So okay, that wolf he's want to kill something. He just wanted to kill somebody. He's like, I want to kill somebody so bad. Okay, that guy is up there. I don't know how he got up there. Yeah, I think I know. I think I'm gonna get up there. Okay. See that up there? Oh, yeah, I know. I know that. They're on top of that mountain. I know how to get up there, guys. I don't really know how to get up there. Okay, he just helped me. Oh, crap. Okay. But yeah, he was big and huge. I know. So it is like a little tiny thing right here. Let's go over here. What the fuck? Okay, I got you. Okay, so he's big ass wolf. Black wolf, but he's big as shit, bro. I'm gonna be big like them someday. I'm gonna be like that someday. I mean, I don't know what someday, but I will be like that someday. So I can't stay in this map for long. I have to go different worlds. Like, I'm gonna go to different worlds. Alright. Yeah. So what you doing this map? I think I know you who play with someone. I think I know what you're supposed to be doing on this map. There. You see my house going down for me? Dang it. Yeah, I'm the one. I think so. I think it's a big guy over there. I'm gonna kill this lion.